So here we have the MAXVAC MGS metal grinding shroud for 125mm. This is a special shroud here that's designed for grinding metal, paints, removal of Chromium 6, removal of any lead-based paints. It'll take a flat disc, deal with a flat disc, and you've got an extraction port on there. So if you're working anywhere where there is old paints and you're not too sure you're doing refurbishment, fantastic shroud to use. You can also use a flat disc sanding disc for timber as well in there. It's designed for surface grinding, not cutting. Any sparks or anything like that, it's also very capable of dealing with. Very easy to fit onto a machine. Again, you get your grinder. I always find it easier to remove the blade clamping parts. You have a selection of different fitting rings, but you have different rings for different grinders. So we select the right ring, clip it on, and then we need to fit it onto here. Push it on, apply the clamp, adjust it to the according tightness you need, reinstall the blade clamp and put your disc in as needed. You've got easy access to be able to change your blades. The extraction cuff fits a 38mm hose, 40mm hose, push straight on. Neat extraction. You can move it around when you're working, depending on what you want to do. That is the MAXVAC MGS-125.